Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Trader. So today the date is July 21st and the time is 11:46. So today I had done two trades. Both the trades have gone against me. So in this video, what I would like to share is about money management. Before we entering to any trade, we do keep our money management, that is risk per day and reward per day, we will calculate in advance and we do select our stock. As usual, my risk for the day was 2000 and my reward for the day if I would have earned was 2000. So what usually people do is once they hit their stop losses, people tend to overtrade, do revenge trading, and that is the basic thing where you lose your money most. So what we should do is once our risk appetite of the day has been hit, our aim is to stop trading for the day, and that's the basic rule of money management as we have discussed in the course. And this is in this what I am trying to explain is I have reached my risk appetite for the day, so I have decided no more trade for the day and I have booked a loss of 1929. So let's just discuss the trade. It has gone wrong anyway. First I had taken trade in Grasim at 947. I had a buying position at 614. I had sold at 612. Okay, let's just come to the point. Okay, so I just worked on this breakout and this was my entry point. Okay, and I have kept my stop loss at the nearby resistance. But what after my entry point, what did happen is I did see first red candle, second red candle, third red candle, and what usually should have happened is after my third red candle, if it was proper last kiss, it should have retraced back. But what I saw is it just broke this last kiss with huge red candle. So I didn't wait for my stop loss to wait. As soon as I found this red candle being broken, I exited. I have not waited for my stop loss. My stop loss was near 611.46 or something. Let's see in orders list. But I have exited very early because the last kiss theory was going against me. So I understood that I was in a wrong trade. I didn't wait for my stop loss. I exited very early. So there I had just booked a small loss of 532. But according to my risk appetite, I still have 1500 for the day. Okay, so one more trade, that's the only thing which I could do according to my risk appetite for the day. Okay, so my second trade, again I calculated my stock and price and bought some quantity, but that too went wrong. The reason for things being wrong is today the Nifty is not at all moving, it's sideways. We don't get a trend for the day, so things have gone wrong. So no problem, we'll learn from our mistake and correct from tomorrow. Okay, in UPL what I did is I found it breaking its it was on its resistance point, it retraced back and we did work on this breakdown. Okay, but I had a late entry because due to this red candle. And here also what happened is first it held at its support point. I thought it would retrace back, but this green candle was really unexpected and it broke its support point over here and my stop loss was hit. So in this video there is not much trade setup, a little about money management which I did. So I have not done any revenge trading more. I decided to stop the trade for the day and 1299 is the loss for the day and I am going to exit from the market. And coming to the 60 days challenge, now coming to 58 days, now we are in a profit of 3000 rupees, but today we have booked a loss. So on the coming days we'll see how our 60 day challenge works. So guys, that's all for the day. Thank you.